That's my beautiful setup for this beautiful trip to Chikmagalur. I'm more excited because this is the first time I'm wearing a riding jacket and going for the trip. Till yesterday it was a dream, today it's happening, man. Let's hit the road. So here we go, guys. This is a road from Anantapur to Chikmagalur. Actually, I was traveling from Hyderabad to Chikmagalur, but I didn't find anything interesting till Anantapur because it was a straight road from Hyderabad to Anantapur. It was pretty boring for me, and I didn't find anything interesting, so I didn't record anything. Once I entered Anantapur, I found this beautiful sceneries around me, so I started enjoying my ride and started recording it. I hope you guys enjoy this road. While you guys enjoy this beautiful roads and sceneries, let me tell you a story which happened to me on that particular day. So I was around 100 kilometers away from Chikmagalur, and it was already dark. It was around 7:30 p.m., something like that. I stopped near a dhaba to have tea. So I was having my tea and thinking about the safest spot to put on my tent for that night, so that I can rest for the night and start off early in the morning to Chikmagalur. Because I don't want to ride in the night due to my past experiences. I don't want to ride in the night. So I was searching for the safest spot, and I randomly asked a guy. He was giving me a couple of ideas here and there, but later on he came up with a beautiful idea, which is he offered me his home for that night. I mean, like, he was offering me shelter for that night. I was blown away by that because I don't know him and he don't know me. This is the first time we are meeting, and he was offering a shelter for the random person whom he met. That was so kind of him, so I was like very happy when he gave me that offer. So I went to his home. I thought he was a bachelor, but no, he has a beautiful family. He has a wife, two beautiful kids, and they all welcomed me with much love, and I was so overwhelmed with their hospitality. They gave me good dinner in Karnataka style, so I was so blessed to meet them. And the best part about the traveling is like you will meet beautiful human beings while you're traveling, and this is one of the best example. I will show his photo in the next clip, and I will show you the room also, the one which he gave me to stay at that night. This is a room which he offered me for that night, and it was so cute, and it's best for one person, and I was so happy to stay in that. I stuffed all my luggage in that small cute room, and he's the one who gave me that shelter. It was so kind of him. As I mentioned you, he has two kids. Here they are. They are very fun to talk with. They are very excited about my trip. They were asking many questions like how much far is Hyderabad from here, and when did you start traveling, so how much does your bike cost. So very excited questions, and I was very happy to answer them. Here we go. This is the next day. I start off around 10:30 a.m. and from now it will be only cloudy or else it will be raining. This is the last time you will be seeing these blue skies. Sorry that I'm talking in between these beautiful sceneries, but I want you guys to just feel it. You have a beautiful road in front of you, and you have mountains on either side, and on top of that, it's raining. Who wouldn't enjoy that beautiful ride? Come on, let's enjoy together.
Finally, we reached Chikmagalur city around 2 p.m. in the afternoon. It was beautiful. It welcomed us with this beautiful lake and the beautiful weather. So around 3 p.m. I checked into a hotel. It's called Shiva's Place. It's a 14-bed dormitory. It was beautiful. You can check it out.
If you like the video, hit on the like button and mention what did you like in the comment section. And if you're new to the channel, please subscribe to my channel for more good videos. And let's explore the nature together. This is Sandy signing off. Enjoy every single day. Bye bye.